Alright, you guys. Hey, how you guys doing? My name is Sergio, and welcome to my channel. It's Boosted 78 Stang. We're going to be working on a project that I'm going to start. I used to restore a lot of Mustangs in the past, and but I haven't done it for about 15 years now. So I'm going to get a Mustang. I've worked anywhere from 65s, 67s, 69s, 73s. But there was one Mustang that I did not do, and that was a 78 Mustang 2 Ghia. That was the smallest Mustang that was ever built. Nobody really wanted these Mustangs, but I'm basically taking it out and I'm redoing the whole car, and it's gonna be one by itself. And I'm gonna take you around the car, and that way you guys can see what I'm dealing with. And in the future, I'm gonna be putting more future videos and the step-by-step process of what I'm gonna be doing to the car. There's gonna be a complete overhaul, paint work, engine work, transmission, you name it. It's gonna be completely redone. All right, let me take you around the car so you guys can see what we're dealing with. Okay, you guys see it's a 78. The body's not too bad. This is the main reason why I got it, because it's an actual V8. A lot of them came 4 cylinders, 6 cylinders, but these were rare. These are V8s. If you can go around the car, you can tell that the body's not in that bad of a shape. It's pretty straight for the year it is. I got this car from an original owner, and it was sitting for 7 years, and I brought it back to life. The car does run, does drive. You see the interior is all original. It's never been touched. It's all gonna change to a different color though. Vinyl top is being removed. And this is original, the Ghia. It's a 1978 Mustang 2 Ghia. Okay, now let me show you guys the engine compartment. As you can see, it shows that the car's been sitting for quite some time. There's surface rust in the engine compartment and a few other spots, but this motor is being completely torn out, and we're gonna go with a hydraulic roller motor off a 95 Mustang GT. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna run through the stuff that I'm gonna be doing to the car, okay, to the engine itself. Now, I told you I got a 95 hydraulic roller motor block, okay, and these are the components that I took off the car. This old stuff right here. This is all the old pistons, the rods. That stuff is just trash. Okay, so from now on, the block is in the machine shop right now. We're gonna be doing Ross pistons. We're gonna be doing Prove rods. The engine's gonna be bored over. It's 40 over. It's gonna be line hone, decked, you name it, all the goodies. Now I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I'm gonna be doing to the car. It's gonna be a custom ground cam, and we are gonna be doing head, cam, turbo kit as well. Now if you look down here, this is a turbo kit right here, and these manifolds are by DP Performance. Okay, they're a stainless steel manifold, nice manifold. Okay, these are the manifolds right here, and we're going with a CX Racing turbo. It's an AR70 compressor wheel. This other piece, it's a timing chain, double roll timing chain, made in Australia. These are billet gears. You cannot go wrong with this. It's very, very good components. And this right here, we're going with a 351 Windsor Senior heads. If you notice this R right here, this distinguishes from being a Roush head. Very good head. 202 valves, 160 exhaust. It's gonna be a nice runner. We have these Cam Dynamics roller rockers here. We got all the guide plates for them, screw-in studs. Everything's there. We're also going with an 8-quart Moroso oil pan. Plenty of oil to feed this engine. I'll be tapping a hole here. That's gonna be my oil return line for the turbo. Okay, so you guys, so I told you what I'm gonna be doing to the engine and a few things. The next video I'm gonna upload, I'm gonna take you to the machine shop that I'm using, which is a local machine shop right here in Lakeside, San Diego, which is called CRG Machine Performance. Very reputable company. They do a lot of drag racing motors and stuff like that. And that way you guys can meet the owner of the company, which his name is Gary. Real nice guy, family oriented guy. and you know, I'll be taking you through a video and showing you his place and what's done to the engine. All right, so I'll see you guys next time. See you guys.